Here's how to connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. So the first thing that you need to do is on your Google AI Studio, go to the Your Apps options that you can see on the left side of the dashboard. And then afterwards, what you need to do is just go ahead and select an application that you wanted to see from GitHub. And at the upper right, you will see there the GitHub icon. So what you need to do is to click on that. Now, after clicking on that and signing in, what you need to do is to put on the name, the prompt, as well as the description of the app that you wanted to save from your Google AI Studio. And then click on the save options and you will see there sign in to GitHub to continue. And what you need to do is to click on that and put all the necessary details and information for you to be able to log into your GitHub account. Now, once you have already done that, what you need to do is to go ahead and put on the repository name and the repository description. Now, you can go ahead and click on the Create Git repo.